Hello, BrandsPickled is here. Today we are here with a new server plugin tutorial, and today's plugin we are doing is called DogTags. DogTags is basically a prefix GUI, what you can change your your prefix changer. But the thing is, when you've got a chat plugin, so for an example, we're using chat format, or you can use Deluxe tag or chat, whatever it's called. Basically, you can have your normal prefix as well as this prefix because this is ran by your placeholder API. So if we just type in this following command, which says dog tags help, or if you want to do a short, so tags help, you can see here we've got a list of commands. So we've got our tags info, which I'll show you now, and then we've got normal dog tags, which we'll show later on. Basically, it will show you all your tags, but this is what it says with your tags info. So it shows you what version, the website, the developer, and tells you to go to dog tags help, which we are on. Then we've got the plugin reload, and then we got dog tags set player, then the ID. So this will set a player's tag to a certain one. So example is one of them. So there we go. BrandsPickled has basically been set. So if I type now, you can see here example tag BrandsPickled. And then let's go for the next one, which is a list. So this will show us a list of the tags, which are two. So you got the example and PV Pro with the description, as well as the prefix example, as well as the name there. And then we got the set description, ID description. Then you got dog tags set prefix, ID prefix. Dog tags create ID, then the prefix. Dog tags remove ID. Dog tags perms and ID. So if we just do perms ID, so example, basically the example is a free one. So if we do PvP Pro, not that one, I forgot the perm bit, and you can see here it says dogtags.use.pvpro to use. So anyone who's got that permission will be able to select the PvP Pro tag and have that as their tag. So you saw there, I basically opened this menu up. So you can see here it's been enchanted. Basically this is the example tag. You can see that I've got that selected. So if we click on this one, and now it says I've selected that and it's been changed like so. And to remove it, just click that and it's been removed. So if we just go over to the config file, but before that, we are actually gonna look at the Spigot page. So if we just flick over, you can see here DogTags 1.18, the auto configurable MySQL support tag plugin, now with deluxe tags, and basically got your source code, so you can see all the code of how basically he's made the plugin. And then if you are running deluxe tags, you can convert it. So that's what that is. So you converts the your tags over. Highly efficient, massively configuration. You got your placeholder API support. Then you got your support for newer versions, detailed documents, permission. Again, convert MySQL database, and then some other tweaks. Then you've got all the commands, so you also can clear of someone else's tag. Then you got the shortcut, so you got your tags, tag, dtags, or dog tags. Then you got all your permissions. So if we just go over to the actual wiki, you can see here how to install it. So basically download it, place it in the plugin folder, restart the server and type /tags, and it will open the GUI. Again, here's all the commands, permissions. Then you got your developer usement, so you can use all that for if you're a developer. Create your own tags. Then there's your placeholder. what you put in your chat plugin, and here is a chat plugin that, for an example, he will give you to use, which is very, very helpful. Okay, and now let's go to the config file. Where are you, DogTags? And then if we just quickly edit this, and you can see here we've got our GUI and here's our tag. So if we want to add our own tag, I know you can do it in game, but I like doing it in the files because you know what you're doing and you won't forget what to do. So you can see here, as well as you can set the item as well. In the game you can't actually set the item what's shown. So we're going to call it a pickle, the pickle rank, and we're going to do and a pickle. But we are going to use square brackets for ranks. I know I don't really like square brackets, but in this case I'll be using it. So pickle, so we're going to change this to and 2. So brands pickled rank, well, tag only. And we're going to have this as, let me have a think. So you can see here we've got wool 2. So basically wool 2, the damage is basically the data code. So if it was just wool 0, it would be white wool. If it was wool 1, it would be orange wool, and etc. So if we just change this to, I'm just going in creative now to see what I can use. Let's just use a cactus. So a cactus is number 81, but we're going to use the actual word. And we don't need this damage code, but we just put 0. And do we need permissions for this tag? So the player has to have permission to enable it? Yes, because I'm only having it for myself. I don't want other people to have it. And then the GUI, so you basically available tags, total tags, and the thing. Then we got the item is a dog tag, and you got your dynamics, show no access. 36 is the size of the GUI. Again, you've got your lore, so your description, and it will say you need permissions for this. So that's a permission placeholder, which will link up with this. Then you got your permission, which will basically is technically linked up with that. And then you've got your GUI item, so you've got your ID tag, then remove ID. So this is basically to remove that tag. And then you've got your permissions. So if you hover over the tag, you can see it says you can have this tag, and basically you can't have this tag. And then you got your prefixes here. So if you wanted to change it, you can. So again, I don't like yellow. So let me just quickly all change this. I really don't like yellow. If there's any yellow in the sentences, that's fine, but I don't like it in the prefixes. There we go. And then here's your storage, so your flat file and your MySQL database. So if you want to change this to a MySQL database, you just change that to like so. Change the change the host, change the username, change the amazing password, which is dankpass on default. And then it's the prefix and the database name. Change the database name. You can keep the prefix how it is, so you know what it is under on your database. But if you are running a small server, just keep it as flat file, and then you just click save. And let's restart the server, because restarting the server is always better than reloading the server. So if we just flick over back to Minecraft and let this load up, it says it's up, but it's not. Because if I refresh, like so, what's this? Oh, it's my other one. Delete. And delete. Okay, it's just generating. There we go. And now, if we type tags, you can see pickle tag, BrandsPickled tag only. You can use this, and you can see BrandsPickled is in blue. blue, green. Let's click that, and it says dog tag. So the dog tags is changed to a green, not a yellow. So tag pickle, pickle. So the prefix has been selected, and if I type pickle, tag is there. So, so if we just go back to the config file quickly. So I'm going to be showing you the. So I'm using chat format. So this is how the chat format is. So if we go to edit this area, so if you're using deluxe chat, you basically do exactly the same. So you can see here I've got the placeholder API right there before my prefix, before my name, before the arrow. Again, I don't like that. I don't like that. There we go. And so yeah, that is basically how I've formatted mine. And if I just quickly copy this as well, save that, and if we go back to Minecraft, reload, and now you can see that I've got no space, and that's changed now. So that's basically how DogTags, the plugin, works. It's absolutely amazing to. So if you like have like a roleplay kind of server, and it tells you to like kill 100 people or kill 100 mobs, and you can give the player the reward of an actual dog tag. So it can be like called Mob Slayer or something like that, which is very awesome. But yeah, if you are new around here, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video and it helped you out, remember to hit that button, the like button. And if you are a developer out there and you need a plugin for your a video for your plugin, remember to just comment in the section area or just message me on Spigot, or you could also go to the Discord support, Minecraft support Discord in the description, and basically ask me there, or if you need any help with any plugins, you also can go to that Discord as well. So yeah guys, and I hope you have a nice day. Peace.